Today we're going to make some chakra earrings like so. These have the earring backs on them, the little silicone stoppers like so. Helps keep them on the card. And I also use them when I wear them to keep them from slipping out of my ear, although with this fishhook ear wire they stay on pretty well anyway. So here's a pair that's already made, and like so. The order of colors is like a rainbow: red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and crystal. Now, different people have different ideas about the order of colors in a chakra, but basically this is a rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and then crystal. Red represents the root chakra, which is about basic trust. And orange is about the sacral chakra, which is about sexuality and creativity. Yellow is about the solar plexus chakra, which is about wisdom and power. Green is about the heart chakra, which is about love and healing. Blue is about the throat chakra, which has to do with communication. Purple has to do with the third eye chakra, or sometimes people call it the brow chakra, but it's about awareness. And then the crown chakra is represented by the clear crystal. That's the way I do them anyway. So we'll make the crystal earrings first. And what you'll need for that is 2 head pins, 2 red crystals, 2 orange crystals, 2 yellow, green, blue, purple, and clear crystals. Head pins, ear wires. Earring backs are nice, not required, but nice to have. You'll need a pair of nippers, some round nose, and some chain nose. And so the first thing we'll do is string the beads on. Red, I'm going to put my magnifiers on so I can see the holes a little easier. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and crystal. That's what that looks like. And then we will bend this head pin. I do my loops, my simple loops like this. Bend it at 90 degrees and then get the round nose and bend it back into a circle. Like so. And then take the ear wire, find out which side that loop opens on. On this ear wire it opens on the back side. Very carefully open that loop, install your dangle, and close the loop like so. And then we'll do the same thing for the other earring. Just so. And again, I'm going to turn that at a right angle, like so. And there's a nice loop. And then we'll open this loop and install the dangle. And then close the loop. And there's your pair of earrings. And if you like to use the earring stoppers, you could put those on. It helps them stay on the earring card. Like so. I like these ball head pins. I like that look. It's kind of classy to me, I think. Nice classy look. Although a nice flat head pin works perfectly well as well. And so with the gemstones, we're using garnet for the red, carnelian for the orange, citrine for the yellow. In this case, we have chrysoprase for the green, lapis lazuli, or lapis lazuli, however you pronounce it, for the blue, amethyst for the purple. We'll get a couple that are pretty similar in color. Amethyst comes in colors all the way from a deep purple to a very light lavender purple. And then for the crown chakra, we'll use quartz crystal. And so we've got them all laid out there. And we'll simply string our beads on in color order. Thing about nuggets is that they're different shapes and sizes, and so they go together a little differently. It's always interesting. For the green, you can use chrysoprase or green aventurine or emerald if you can find it. For the blue, I've seen sodalite used, or the lapis. Sometimes it's a bit challenging to find the holes. And then you can just kind of spin them around a little bit and make sure that they're all on there, fitted up together well. Doesn't matter if your head pins are a little bit bent up. They're pretty easy to straighten back out. And we'll do the second one the same way we did the first, with red, orange, sometimes the way these are drilled, the the holes don't fit very well. But if you order a kit from me, I'll make sure that the beads will fit on the head pin. Sometimes when you put a bead on, you see that it looks like it wants to go on the other way, and it's perfectly all right to turn it around. There. Okay. For these, since I have a little bit more pin left at the end, I'm going to make a wrapped loop. So I'll put my round nose on there, bend that wire over, then turn the loop. You can make a simple loop if you want to, but I'm going to make a wrapped loop. And then wrap it around here, like so. I'm going to grab hold of it with this. See how I have it? And then wrap this around the neck or the stem, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes you can get hold of it with your chain nose and just gently press it in there. And then it's got a little part that sticks up. That's where our cutters come in handy. So get in there very carefully. Don't catch your loop in there. Just catch that little straight end. And then snip it. There it is, partly snipped. It's partly snipped, but it didn't fall off, so I'm going to grab it with my chain nose and break it the rest of the way off. And then carefully cinch that down. And then move my loop up where I want it. There's one. We'll go ahead and put this on an ear wire. So this ear wire comes like a question mark and loops around this way. So this is where the cut end is. So we'll get hold of it like this, open it up very gently, install our dangle, and close it. And then I often like to come back in here with my chain nose and just press it gently to make sure that it's closed up well. So here's one. Here's the second. So we're going to get hold of it right close to the last bead with the round nose, and we'll fold that at about a 90-degree angle. And then we'll come around this way, like so, and then wrap this wire around the round nose, moving around as we go, like so. And then grasp the loop firmly, and then bring your chain nose and twist the end around that little neck below the loop. Do a nice tidy job if you can. And then carefully cinch it down. And then take your cutter and cinch it right up next there, right up next to your work, and snip that end off. And then we'll come back with our chain nose and cinch it down so that it doesn't leave a little end sticking out to poke you with, although where it's located it probably wouldn't. And then I'll get hold of that loop and just kind of straighten it up like so. And again, we take our ear wire and gently open it, attach our dangle, and close the loop like so. And then I'll use these silicone stoppers to keep the earrings on the card, and those will come to you, and you can use them or not as you see fit when you wear them. You can wear them perfectly well without the stoppers, or you can wear the stoppers. I wear mine with the stoppers. So there we are, chakra earrings with crystals or gemstones. There you have it. I will offer kits of these if you don't want to buy entire packages of all the 7 colors of beads, or entire packages of head pins, or entire packages of ear wires. I'll put everything you need into a kit so that if you want to just buy only the items necessary to make either one of these, you'll be all set. I also have these as a finished product, so if you don't want to fool with making your own, if you're not exactly really a crafter, they are available already made up, like so. And then of course there will be a supply list of everything I used here if you want to buy the entire packages and make your own. And of course you can use these techniques to make earrings out of whatever you have. So thank you again so much for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I do videos on a variety of subjects, and jewelry making is just part of my routine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you again soon.